Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of versatile vehicles with the Toyota Hiace 7-seater. This iconic van has been a staple in the transportation industry for decades, and the 2025 model continues to impress with its blend of practicality, comfort, and reliability. Let's explore what makes the Hiace 7-seater a top choice for families, businesses, and adventurers alike. The 2025 Hiace retains the classic boxy silhouette that has made it a beloved vehicle for generations. However, Toyota has infused it with modern design elements, such as sleek headlights, a bold front grille, and aerodynamic lines. This combination of classic and contemporary styling gives the Hiace a timeless appeal while ensuring it remains relevant in today's evolving automotive landscape. The Hiace 7-seater boasts a spacious and versatile interior designed with comfort and practicality in mind. The cabin offers ample legroom and headroom for all 7 passengers, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable journey for everyone. The seating configuration can be easily adjusted to accommodate various needs, whether you're transporting a large family or a group of friends. The Hiace 7-seater is powered by a robust and fuel-efficient engine that delivers impressive performance while minimizing environmental impact. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Hiace delivers a confident and enjoyable ride. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the Hiace 7-seater is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. These features include anti-lock braking system to prevent wheel lockup during emergency braking, electronic stability control to maintain vehicle stability, traction control to optimize traction on slippery surfaces, multiple airbags to protect occupants in the event of a collision, and seat belt reminders to encourage safe practices. These safety features provide peace of mind and help ensure a safe and secure journey for all occupants. The Hiace 7-seater is a truly versatile vehicle that can adapt to various needs. Whether it's family travel, business transportation, or group travel, this vehicle provides ample space and flexibility. It's ideal for family vacations, transporting employees or clients, or shuttling sports teams or tour groups. The Toyota Hiace 7-seater continues to be a benchmark in the commercial vehicle segment. With its blend of classic reliability, modern design, and advanced safety features, it remains a top choice for those seeking a versatile, comfortable, and dependable vehicle. Whether you're a family, a business owner, or an adventurer, the Hiace 7-seater offers the space, comfort, and reliability you need. What are your thoughts on the Toyota Hiace 7-seater? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.